a pistol.
Ayan na, sa tinining, nag-set
Don't
na
start it
siya
yet,
ng
honey. You gotta set the plates up first.
Nag-set up na siya ng camera niya para mag-camera mang video niya. Ayan, oh.
Yes.
What was
See?
that? 9. Oh
It's
yeah, 9
9
millimeter. I hate that.
Yeah.
Remember? Oh my god.
Have you seen the CP320?
Remember,
I
I
don't
used
think so.
9 millimeter.
That's the military SIM-17.
Oh, okay.
It replaced the Beretta 92 a couple of
Okay.
years ago.
I've got a Beretta 92 FS.
Okay.
It's not a M9, it's a 92 FS, a civilian version.
Yeah.
And I got 10, I think 10 high round mags for it. I need to sell the gun and the mags.
Okay, do you want me to sit up, honey?
The plate?
Okay.
That's why I brought you to set the plates up. Did I hear thunder? Is that the...
Honey.
Yeah, sounded like thunder.
I think it's supposed to maybe do a little bit
It's easy
late,
to
but
do
not
this.
very much.
I hope it's just only thunder, not rain.
Later tonight I'd like to have some rain. We need it. You gonna video me?
Hi, just go ahead.
Want to load up a magazine?
Too late.
I will show you how well it works. What you do is take your ammo, got a box of 50 in, take it down, put the mag in on the side, in.
There's one
Or
more.
not the last one used it. That's why it's messed up.
Guy siya?
Somebody jammed out.
Oh yeah.
Hindi talaga siya ma-down.
I let those guys use it. Just made today.
Kahit anong tira, ate.
It'll work right now.
Kahit anong tira niya.
Oh, there's one caught in there. He had one caught in there earlier. Hmm. It don't normally do that. It's just that when you don't know what you're doing with it, then you can do that.
Rim block, one on top of the other, or the last rim underneath the long one.
Naka-video na to?
Wala pa.
Ah,
The
okay.
battery does shut the door on the camera.
I'm trying to...
You want to put this against your shoulder here,
So, where's the
What?
magazine?
here, stick in there,
Where?
up here. Okay.
Take her up closer so she can
What?
hit
Is
something.
this
Closer.
not 22?
Yes, this is 22. Come closer.
Okay.
Up more, closer, closer, closer.
Just to push this, ano?
Okay, now,
So it's ready to shoot?
Yes.
Okay.
Make sure she's empty, Jacob. Make sure she's empty. You know how to lock them back, Jacob? I hear thunder. You know what, Jason? I listen to stuff all morning long.
Oh, they're live streaming and all that. I also brought a shotgun. We'll be able to use shotgun on these.
Yeah, you can use shotgun on them.
I brought my PSG.
You got a 9mm, you use a 9mm, 38, 357. Yeah, you can shoot that. Hey, cool.
Before,
What's that?
it's got 2 magazine tubes. Back here, you got a switch to switch which tube you feed from.
That'd be good for 3-gun matches.
Oh yeah.
They're probably using those in 3-gun matches now. Hey, I want to, I want to get pictures of you guys.
Shotgun!
Yep. I told you I was bringing it.